Okay. Hi, we're the WhiskeyBelles. This is the title track to our new CD, Whiskey Woman, and we're on Tap Milwaukee.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Mister, I can see you're looking at me, and man, I know exactly what you think. You see a sweet and pretty future, darling, but mister, you should see me when I drink. A beer, it's not enough for watching football. A Cabernet, that's the best you got. But if you want the finest I can offer, get the whiskey out and pour me up a shot. 'Cause when the whiskey gets flowing, you'll see another side of this good girl. I'll take you out, we'll have a ball. I'll take your woman in a barroom brawl. Drink the bottom out of this whole world.
I used to be a different kind of woman, the kind of girl to make your mama proud. But then I found a message in a bottle and left me wild and pissed and fun and loud. Now once you get a whiskey woman started, soon you'll be awake to see the dawn. There's not a thing that you can do to tame her. Just grab the old shucks handles and hang on. 'Cause when the whiskey gets flowing, you'll see another side of this good girl. I'll take you out, we'll have a ball. I'll take your woman in a barroom brawl. Drink the bottom out of this whole world. Give me a shot of Jim Beam and a pull of Old Crone and a lick of George Dickel and a drop of that old Granddad. And then a dram of Jameson, cup of Crown Royal and a bit of Glenlivet, and I might get a little bit bad. I hope you saved a bottle for the bedroom. Now don't you start up acting all reserved, 'cause this ain't over till I say it's over. And I won't stop till I get what I deserve. I'll ride you up one side and down the other. So mister, just consider this a warning. I'll give you all that you can drink this evening, and a whiskey chaser cup tomorrow morning. 'Cause when the whiskey gets flowing, you'll see another side of this good girl. I'll take you out, we'll have a ball. I'll take your woman in a barroom brawl. Drink the bottom out of this whole world. When the whiskey gets flowing, you'll see another side of this good girl. I'll take you out, we'll have a ball. I'll take your woman in a barroom brawl. Drink the bottom out of this whole world. And drink the bottom out of this whole world.